Hi, I'm Paul Van Wart of Paul to the Max, and my company is a social media management company. I'm a consultant for the organization. What I do is to maximize the social media presence for small businesses to mid-sized businesses. I analyze the social media presence, and from there I will make recommendations to set up and manage various social media platforms based on your interests and what you're wanting to get out of your social media presence. Setting up of social media profiles will allow you to drive traffic to your website as well as advance your ratings in Google. I'll also attempt to get you on that first page of Google. Certainly can do that by registering you with Google Places and setting up a profile with Google.